Hey guys, it's Brooke. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the basic steps that I take to create my outfits. This very simple guide is basically for anything that includes pants and any type of shirt basically. These are very simple outfits, but hopefully this video can get you guys a little bit more inspired in your outfits that you choose. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started.
Nothing you can take can tear me away from my God.
Call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing, and you're terrified somebody's gonna stick you in a cage. Well, baby, you're already in that cage. You built it yourself.
I just want to start a great big place down in your heart. Down in your heart. I just want to I just want to start a great big place. I just want to start a great big place.